Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is an unboxing day and it's one of my favourites because it's food. It is my Degustabox for May, which is very exciting as it is. However, this just arrived, but then also this just arrived. So I have two. I don't know why. I only paid for one, but I've got two for some reason. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. It will be a UK only giveaway just because there's food in it and this is gonna cost a fortune. This weighs like a lot, so I'm not gonna post this abroad. I will open it today, which is the 21st of May, and I will close it on Friday at midday UK time. And then I'll just pick a random winner and I'll post it on either Friday or Saturday morning because obviously I want this to get to whoever's gonna win as soon as possible. I'm not gonna open that one at all. I'm just gonna open this one. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys if you wanna win. But yeah, Degustabox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly food subscription box. It's £12.99 a month. I have a discount code that I'll put on the screen and down below for you guys, where you can get £5 off your first box, free delivery and a free bonus item. This month's bonus item is a Jules Destrooper Almond Thins and Belgian chocolate, worth £2.19. They're really yummy. I've had them before. They're just like little biscuity things and they're delicious. But yeah, let's just get into it. I say every time when I get Degustabox, if you are somebody that shops around for bargains at 6 different supermarkets every week, you may not like this because there may be something in here that you can get in Asda for £1, but at Tesco's it might be £2.50, and this will go by the retail price, the general retail price, not an offer price. So yeah, I love it. When you sign up, you will get a code, and your code means that you can give that to your friends, your family, YouTube, Instagram, whoever you want, your nan, the mailman, whoever you fancy. And if that code is used, you get 50 points. If it's used twice, you get 100 points, and when you get 100 points, you get a free box. So this is a free box. Crumbs. It comes by DPD. You get a text the day before to tell you what time it's coming, and then on the morning, you get a text to say what your hour time slot is, and mine was between 1:55 and 2:55, and it arrived at 1:57 by my lovely DPD driver Chris, who is just lovely. Although he looks a bit confused today because there was two, as I was. Let's have a look. So you get all your bump and stuff. This tells you all about it. And this is a brunch and afternoon tea box. So, it's heavy. Let's just get in. I'm not going to look at that yet. I will put a total on the screen at the end so you can see how much the whole box is worth. If you use the code, it will be £7.99. So then you'll be able to see what it is. My first thing, I'm very excited. These are one of my favourite things in the whole world. These are, Dalemans Scratch and Win. What? Scratch to reveal your code. Okay, these are caramel waffles. I buy these in like big bags and stuff. These are just £1.29 and there's two in here. I'm going to have one now just to show you how good they are because I'm nice like that. And I do things for my subscribers. This is them. They're stuck together. These are like literally one of my favourite things in the whole world. So they're a waffle. And then they're caramel. Oh. I'm not exaggerating. I'm pretty sure I could eat about 20 of these in one go. I'm not even exaggerating a little bit. I love them. It says Dutch waffles, caramel filling. I think what you're meant to do is like get a cup of coffee and then you lay it over the top and it gets soft and squidgy, where it is already quite soft. But yeah, they just make me happy. Every Degustabox video is just me eating. Yummy. Okay, moving on. Ooh, these are Shaw, the Scottish Seaweed Company, sea salt and balsamic vinegar seaweed puffs. They sound good. I'm not going to open everything now because although I'm a greedy cow, I have just had my lunch. I will do Instagram stories as I eat these things and then tag Degustabox and you guys can see it on there. These are £1.19 a packet, which is absolutely ridiculous. And it says they have super healthy seaweed. They make nutritious and vegan snacks. They are deliciously crunchy, umami filled. That sounds like I'm friends. Unagi. Umami. And they're 100 calories a bag. And there's 4 fantastic flavours. I can't read the flavours because they're too small, but I have got salt and vinegar. So that's very cool. This is, what are you? This is cocoa dairy free. I think it's a milk alternative. I don't know what kind it is. Cocoa dairy free super milk is enriched with 9 key vitamins and minerals, offering specially boosted nutrition for all ages from toddlers to seniors. Creamy full body taste and delicious to use as a full fat milk replacement. These are £1.99. I don't buy stuff like this, but I do like to have it in the cupboard because I've got quite a lot of friends who are vegan, and then this is something, I'm assuming this is vegan. Is this vegan? I assume it's vegan. What's in it? Coconut milk, grape juice. Yeah, this is vegan, so I'll have this for if my friends who are vegan come around and I can make them cups of tea. Okay. Next up, I've got some Splenda. Ben will use this. I used to have sweetener all the time, but for some reason this baby does not like sweetener and makes me throw up when I have it. So I've just been using sugar in my tea. £1.50. These are mini Splendas. Are these are no aspartame, so these are sucralose. Sucralose. Just for anybody, I know quite a lot of people don't like aspartame. I don't buy aspartame sweeteners. This is an aspartame free one. £1.50. Midget gems. These are sugar-free, gelatin-free, gluten-free midget gems. They're like jelly sweets. What does it say about these? Free from Fellows vegan midget gems are made with a delicious twist. They are made without sugar, gluten, gelatin and dairy. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. They're also egg-free, soy-free, GMO-free, nut-free and free from artificial flavours, and they're £1.99 a bag. These would be nice to have. I do like little jelly sweets, so I'm excited to try those. What are you? Oh no, it's open! The Degustabox is open! They all fell out! I want to eat these! This one's open. These are Indie Bay and they're all over my thing. I love Indie Bay stuff. Pretzel bites and they're sea salt. Oh, I want to eat them and they're all in the box. My grumpy face. If anything does happen like that with you, if you message Degustabox, they will sort you out next time. I had it once when I had one of my cookies came and it was completely crushed, and I messaged Degustabox. I either emailed them or messaged them on Instagram and they replied really fast, and then my next box I got it again in there so that I'd have a replacement. Oh, it says there should be 2, so these are £1 a bag. Where's the other one? This one's empty because they're all over the box. There's another one and they're not open. So this is them. I am very excited to try these. I can show you what they look like. I'm not going to eat them now, but I can show you what they look like. Look. They smell really good. I'm not going to eat them because they've just been in the box. Okay. Everything's wrapped up now. They're £1 a bag as well. What are you? This is vegan mayonnaise. Oh, I don't eat mayonnaise at all. But again, this would be something really handy to have for when my friends come around who are vegan. Ben eats mayo as well. This is £2.15. Hellmann's vegan mayo. A great taste of Hellmann's, now vegan. A deliciously creamy vegan mayo is gluten-free, suitable for vegans, and a great source of omega-3. Perfect addition to vegan burgers and sandwiches, or as an alternative to real mayonnaise. So yeah, that's really nice to have in the cupboard. are you? OTs. The Noir La Apricot. Does that mean the black apricot? Does that mean the black apricot? Or have I just made that up? Is my French awful? £3.75. Ridiculous price. The black tea with apricots. It's infused with sweet and nutty apricots to create a light fruity beverage. Using only high quality black tea and apricot pieces responsibly sourced, all delivered in a fully biodegradable bag. Enjoy many of our teas hot or cold. So that sounds really interesting. It's definitely something I would like to try. I love tea and I really like fruit teas, so I'm very excited to try that. But £3.75 for that box is cray cray. Look at the box. It's just full of, look. It's just it's all the pretzel bites. Okay, next up we've got Fruity Beauty, a little bar. Love the packaging, super cute. Bet this is expensive. £1.50. Fruity Beauty is on a mission to provide a fun and nutritious burst of life. Organic fair trade bars are high in fibre, 1 of your 5 a day. Positively juicy, these bars are traceable from farm to fork and promote sustainability. That's really awesome. I won't eat these, but the girls will love it. And this is 100% organic, no for artificial additives, colours or preservatives, suitable for vegans, a source of fibre and a low-fat food. Okay. Ooh, chocolate. Milky Bar mix-ups. What are you? 2 packets. These are 65p a bag. Milky Bar mix-ups are here. An exciting mix of Milky Bar chocolate and cocoa filling. A Milky Bar white chocolate buttons with a cocoa filling and milk chocolate buttons with a milky filling. Oh my god, they sound amazing. I'm going to let the girls have some of these when they get out of school. They will absolutely love these. I'm not a fan of white chocolate, but the kids absolutely love it. So I will definitely, I'll film them. Just chuck it all on the floor and tag. Okay, I've got 2 more left in bubble wrap. Feels like there's loads in here this month. Firefly, lemon, lime and ginger. I have swapped to a non-alcoholic box just to make you aware that you can, sometimes there's alcohol in it, sometimes there's not, but because I'm preggo I was like, well, Ben's getting everything good, so I swapped to non-alcoholic. £1.55. Revitalising botanical drinks are expertly crafted from still water, fruit juice and active botanicals. We never add anything nasty. All our drinks contain only naturally occurring sugars, no colours or preservatives, and are vegan friendly. So that's nice. I'll put that in the fridge and give that a little try later. It sounds really nice. Lemon, lime and ginger sounds lovely. It might help my throat at the minute because it's so sore. And then finally, oh, Real Good Ketchup Smoky Barbecue. That sounds lovely. That sounds really nice. I bet this is expensive. £2.49. I would pay that for sauce because Ben absolutely loves his sauces. And we do go through a lot, so I would 100% pay that for if it's nice. New to the Real Good Ketchup range. Ketchup. No added sugar table sauces. It's delicious smoky barbecue. Oh, the baby just kicked me in the bladder and made me need a wee. Made with natural hickory and oat smoked water from Tennessee. This condiment is perfect both with French fries and a cooking ingredient and 80% less sugar than normal sauces, so that's really good. Well, that was the box. I'm very happy with it. I'll leave all the details down below if you want to win a box, because otherwise it's just going to sit there, or my mum will steal it, or my brother. So yeah, I'll give it to one of you guys. Ooh, the recipe on the back there, using the Indie Bay pretzel things to make Rocky Road bites. They look amazing, look at them. They look well good. So yeah, that was Degustabox for May. I will leave all the details of my discount code, how you can win it, all the good stuff. If you like it, you know what to do. If you didn't, give it one of them and tell me why. That's fine. I don't mind. We don't all have to like everything the same, and that's absolutely cool. So I'm gonna go because I really need a wee now. The baby's moved. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.